I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening a fresh Google Sheet and naming it so entries stay organized. This matters for search and backups. Once done, create column headers, date, entry, tags, mood, attachments. You format the date column to YIMMDD to keep sorting predictable and freeze the header row so it stays visible. Make sure to set wrap text on the entry column so long notes remain readable. That first structure saves time and prevents messy imports later. Now you add structure and automation so journaling is quick and consistent. Use data validation to make tags and mood dropdowns. This enforces consistent categories for later filtering. Then add a timestamp formula that inserts a date only when you type an entry, keeping manual edits easy. Also create a linked Google Drive folder and paste file URLs into attachments so photos and documents stay organized. These steps reduce friction and make it simple to analyze patterns with filters and pivot tables later. Finish by creating review and backup routines so your journal remains reliable. You should set a weekly backup using Drive version history or make a copy, and build a filter view plus a simple pivot table to track weekly or monthly sentiment. Once done, automate an export schedule if you want offline archives. If a formula or dropdown stops working, first check for extra spaces, incorrect ranges, or renamed sheets. Correcting those small issues usually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.